Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Serificera Publications. Hello everyone, it is the last chapter of the book today, that is we are going to do chapter number 44, quiz time. Now the first question belongs to famous personalities, or you can say eminent personalities. You have to look at the pictures and answer them. So let's begin with the questions now. So let's begin with the first picture, and the first picture is of our famous freedom fighter, that is B.R. Ambedkar. So he is B.R. Ambedkar. The next is the another famous writer or author, Ruskin Bond. Then the third picture is of another player, P.V. Sindhu. So with this we have completed the A question. Let's now do the B question. The B question is match the following columns. And in the first column we have the first player, Virat Kohli. And the answer for this is cricket. The next is Pankaj Advani. And the answer for this is billiards. Then the third is Usain Bolt, and he is related to athletics. And the last, Michael Phelps, and he is related to swimming. So this was all about the answers. The first one is cricket, second is billiard, third is athletics, and the fourth is swimming. Next, now we have the true and false. And the first true and false is the golden eagle is the best known bird of prey in the northern hemisphere, and the answer for this is true. The next we have the red-tailed hawk is the fastest flying bird, and this answer is false. Third, the bearded vulture feeds exclusively on the bones, and the answer for this is true. The last true and false is the king vulture is found in Central and South America. And what is the answer for this question? The answer is false. So these were the true and false. The first one is true, second is false, third is true, and the fourth is again false. So these were the questions A, B and C. Let's now move on to the next question. So the fourth question is fill in the blanks, and the first question is dash is a native wild cat of Africa and central Iran, and the answer for this is cheetah. Next we have dash is an instrument to measure the intensity of light, and the answer is photometer. Then the third question, dash years make a millennium, and the answer for this is 1000. Then the next question, Rome is situated on the river dash, and the name of the river is Tiber, T-I-B-E-R, Tiber River. With this we have completed the fill in the blanks. Let's now move on to the one word questions, and the first question is who invented the fountain pen, and the answer is Lewis Waterman. Lewis Waterman was the founder of the fountain pen. The next is which kind of a plant is the sundew, and sundew is a carnivorous plant. Next we have the last question of this chapter of this book, that is who is the author of Malgudi Days, and the answer for this question is R.K. Narayan. So this was all with the chapter, with the quiz today. With this we have ended our chapter. I hope you have understood everything. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.